Hello learners. Making performance appraisal more effective is an important task. Before understanding this topic, let's have a look at its process. It generally involves 5 main steps. The first step is establishing performance standards under objectives which are to be achieved, are mentioned. Second step is discussing performance expectations with employees. It is of utmost importance to make the employees aware with the objectives. Third step is measuring actual performance, means actual work is done to achieve the pre-decided objectives. And the fourth step is comparing actual performance with standard. After that, comparison is made between standards set and actual results in order to find out the deviations. Deviations can be positive and negative. And the last is taking corrective action. In case of negative deviations, corrective action is taken. Making performance appraisal system more effective. Following measures can be adopted in order to make performance appraisal more effective. Train the supervisors. Proper training should be provided to the supervisors about how to deal with the employees at all levels. Focus on the future. The individuals and managers discuss that how the employees' responsibilities should be changed in the upcoming year. Employers should have mindset of no biasness. For creating an effective performance appraisal system, the employers and supervisors should keep in their mind that performance should be appraised with full honesty and without biasness. Organized planning system. The planning system, which is going to plan the performance standards, should be organized. Frequent performance appraisal. The performance appraisers should be active while appraising the performances. They should frequently appraise the performance of the employees. Innovative actions. The senior managers need to plan and take some innovative steps so that employees get attracted towards that. The following steps can be taken. Incentive to employees. Bottom-up appraisals. Continuous feedback. Employee self-appraisal. Measurement of strengths and weaknesses of employees. The strengths and weaknesses of employees should be properly assessed elderly, so that we can set our standards according to that. Atmosphere of confidence. This system should evaluate the performance of the employees for helping them in improving their work or correcting their weaknesses. Engage the employees in a two-way discussion. The performance appraisal system can be improved by involving the employee in the discussion all year long. The performance appraisal process must be effective. In other words, the steps involved in performance appraisal process should be appropriate and effective, and even that should be followed in a proper manner. Flexible rating scale. The organization should change their performance appraisal strategies according to the changing environment. Organizations should keep in mind the changes occurring in the economy and plan according to that. 360-degree feedback. When appraisals are made by superiors, peers, subordinates and clients, then it is called 360-degree feedback. This kind of techniques must be used by the organizations. Conclusion. By looking at the above points, we can say that performance appraisal is needed to be done by every organization. For measuring the appropriate results, there should be an effective performance appraisal system.